Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Friends, today I will tell you about how to set date and time in Windows 7. First of all, go to taskbar. Like here you can see date and time. Click on it, right click on it, and then click adjust date time. Okay friends, here you see date and time option, and you can change date and time. Here we can change date and time like 21, 22, 23. We can set these, and in next we can see it's a time. We can set the time, and we can also set the AM or PM as required. These are the minutes. We can select like minutes, and same this is the hours. We can change in hours, and same in minutes. Okay, so this is the basic setting of date and time, how we can set according to our zone. And second option is change the time zone. Friends, how we can change the time zone? Click on time zone setting. Here we can set the time zone. Here you can see a number of time zones are available. You can set the time zone according to your region or according to your country. I will select this +5. Okay, no, this is the one method to set date and time. We can also set date and time through control panel. Go to start menu, then control panel, and friends, here we will click on region and languages. And next we can go to additional settings. Friends, here are date, time and date. We can set time from here also. You can see here both types of time available, like short time and long format and short format, and also its format available. We can set as we want to do. And next one is date. Here we see short date option, and next one is long date option. Okay, we can also format date, like we can set month, then day, then years, first year, then month, and then day, according to our requirement. This is the short date format, and this is the long date format. We can also set the long date format. This is the procedure how we can set date and time in Windows 7. I hope you will follow you got all the points, and if you face any issue, you can write me in comments. I will help you. Thank you. Bye.